Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A04s. Firstly, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on two smartphones. Firstly, choose I accept, then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android if it's not already on, and tap on Receive at the bottom of your Samsung next to Send and History. Also on Samsung, you need to scroll down in Personalize Your Ad pop-up. Click on the best option for you, Yes I agree or No thanks, and tap on Close this window. Then go back to an Android. You can click on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. Then send them by choosing Send next to Selected. You can also just tap on the chosen ones, like that, and tap on Send as well. Finally, in this pop-up, here's some tip. Tap on OK and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung. Now, to allow camera access, choose while using the app or only this time. And lastly, point your device's camera at this code. If you wish to input 6-digit key though, you need to tap on Input key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers. And tap on Receive button if you want to connect. So now when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!